Guys, if you're looking to earn some extra cash online or even start a full-time online business, this video is for you. Today I'm going to share with you the secret of how I made $1,000 in a month in the online space as a beginner in affiliate marketing business. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich scheme. Affiliate marketing is a legit way to make money online by promoting others' company products or services. And the best part, you don't need any inventory, you don't need to handle shipping or customer services, and you can do it anywhere in the world. I dive into the details. Let me just give you a quick background about myself. I'm just a regular person who was working a 9-to-5 job and was looking out for a way to earn some extra cash. I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and I decided to give it a shot. Those of you who are new to affiliate marketing, let me quickly explain how it works. You promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on your social media platform, your website or your blogs. Then when you get a click on that particular product, you get a commission ranging from 40% to 60 or 70%. It depends on the company you partner with. When someone click on your affiliate link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Simple, right? This is my strategy on how I made my $1,000 in 30 days as a beginner. First and foremost, I did my research. I looked into different affiliate program, different platform and products that align with my business or my goals that I already know and familiar with. I started creating content around those products in my social media platform. Before we go into my screen, my name is Adekunle Adeola. On this channel, we talked about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to start an online business without having to spend millions of dollars. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm waiting. Subscribe. Have you subscribed? Thank you. If you have subscribed to my channel, type I have subscribed in the comment section. Yes, thank you. Next one is content creation. I can't stress it enough how important to create content, high quality content, high valuable content. How I made this $1,000 in 30 days is creating content on my social media platform, on my blogs, on my websites, and of course I am ready to solve problem. In every of my contents, there is genuine way I want to solve somebody's problem. By solving problem, I will automatically include my affiliate link in every problem I want to solve or I solve with my content. Automatically, when you click on my link to get that thing that can solve your problem, I will get paid for solving your problem. That is how easy affiliate marketing can be. And there you have it. That is how I made $1,000 in 30 days with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Now I want to be clear, it is not a get rich scheme. Remember, if I can do it as a beginner, you can also do it. Pick a pen and your paper now, jot down, because we want to dive of how you too can make that happen in 30 days.
Let's get started. This is w.staycut.com. This is the website you will go to get access to thousands of products to start as an affiliate marketer without paying a dime. And this website I am currently showing you, we pay you weekly every Monday, and they are paying in dollars. So if you are not making money in dollars in 2024, I don't know what to tell you. This is the interface of the website. This is where you will sign in. Just click on claim your free account. But before I click on that, let's see what people have to say with this website. This person said, I used to be a youth corper earning just 19,800 a month, but now I make up to 3 million naira in a month, sell on Stakeout. Affiliate marketing helped me buy brand new luxury Lexus, take several luxury vacations to countries like Senegalese, United Arab Emirates and Qatar. Plus, I even complete a house in my hometown. Here are benefits of starting with Stakeout. Business with Stakeout. Hot selling products already picked for you, registered vendor. Stakeout will pick a product that is hot selling, a current one, the one people are currently buying. Our vendors already have website, just send traffic to it. A step-by-step startup training come with your free account. Selling to anyone in the world and get paid in your local currency. No registration fee forever. We only earn when you do. So, click on the claim your free account. Now enter your email. After inputting your details, click on sign in. Check your email. We have sent you a verification email. Please go to your email and check your verification code. Voila, we have it. This is a new account. Let's exploit this account. Come to this right hand side, click on it to set up your account. This arrow in the top right hand side, click on profile. This is where you will edit your details. Edit your name, your last name, your email address, your phone number. If you have a second number, you will edit it here. You see this country, let me open it. This is where you edit your country. These are the countries that are entitled to open this free account. We have so many countries here. We have Kenya, we have Nigeria, Uganda, Tanzania, South Africa, others, Cameroon, Ghana, Zambia, just name it. We have all the African country here. So if you are in any of these countries, so you are entitled to open an account. I mean a free account to earn in dollar. So if you have your TikTok handle, Facebook handle, everything, edit here. And here is very, very important. This is why we are here. Your account number and your bank name. So click on edit and put everything here. So once you get your account set up, here we are. This is a marketplace where you choose any product of your choice. Let me take you through the marketplace. You see this one that has this award sign is the best selling product. So Stakeout we show you the best selling products. So these are the best selling products up here. So just check it. Choose the one you are comfortable with, the one you are passionate about. You have to choose any niche you would like to promote, and voila, you are getting your money. So now let's go through one of those products. You can see you are earning in dollar. This particular product, if you sell it, you have 50% of what you sell it. Click on promote, get your affiliate link here, and boom, promote it and get paid. Another thing I want to show you is Stakeout University. So this is where you will learn the whole thing. Funnel building, the this, the that, so if you are still not making money, I don't know what to tell you, bro. So this is a full package and it's coming for free. So tell me why you are not making money online. You know where to go to when you want to start your affiliate marketing. If you need my mentorship or you want to join my upcoming events, click on that plus button and type I am interested in the comment section. Either or send a DM to me. Send me a DM with Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp. Don't miss it. I will see you in my next video.
You're interested in starting your own affiliate marketing business, but you don't know how. Even after sharing this top secret with you, you still don't know how to go about it. You can join my WhatsApp group where I will be holding 5 days affiliate bootcamp. Check the description button. There is a WhatsApp group link there. You can join them. Or better still, you can send me a DM on IG. If you don't find it interesting, You can also join my Telegram group called Home of Knowledge. That is where I share my top secrets with my family, because I call them my family. See you.